Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to find out the expiration date of my BBVA card. Well, this is actually pretty simple. Here I am on the BBVA website, and there's something important to mention that you should keep in mind. Lately, for added security, these types of cards no longer display the information directly on the card itself, on the plastic, okay? Why is that the case? Well, it's primarily for very important security reasons, specifically to further significantly enhance and strengthen the overall security measures. However, the comprehensive information regarding the expiration date can always be conveniently found directly within the dedicated application itself, which is designed to provide you with all necessary details. The bank, specifically PVV. There, within the secure and user-friendly interface, you will readily find all your essential digital cards, and on the reverse side, or more precisely, within the dedicated digital cards section, you will clearly see your crucial expiration date. However, it is important to note that there are indeed some particular cards that do prominently display this information directly on their physical surface, much like these specific cards that are commonly found and utilized in Venezuela, okay? They have the expiration date on the front, right? It's just a matter of that, okay? As I already said, you can find the expiration date directly in the bank's app, not on the card itself. And well, if this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.